We are doing geometric progression. Today we will discuss some more question based on sum of the series. So let us find sum of zero point 0.9 plus 0.09 plus 0.009 up to 100 terms. So we have S100 is equal to 0.9 plus 0.09 plus 0.009 up to 100. Let us take 9 common. 0.1 point we have in between as 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. Why we are doing this? We have to make the terms as geometric progression, in geometric progression. So write 0.1 as 1 by 10, 0.01 as 1 by 10 square, 0.001 as 1 upon 10 cube, and so on. Now this is a geometric progression with common ratio r as 1 by 10, which is less than 1. So what is sum of 100 terms of a geometric progression? It is a 1 minus r to the power n, which is 100, upon 1 minus r, which is 1 upon 10. So it is 9 by 10, 1 by 10 outside, 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to power 100. So we have 9 cancels with 9 and 10 cancels with 10. So we have 1 minus 1 upon 100, 1 upon 10 to the power 100 as our answer. Next is sum of 2, 6, 18 up to 4, 3, 7, 4. Let us now find whether it is a GP or AP. So 6 upon 2, 18 upon 6, common ratio is 3, constant. So we have R as 3, common ratio is R, 3. So 3 is greater than 1. So sum of n terms is A r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, because r is greater than 1. First term is 2. Let us now find how many terms are there. What is the value of this n? So to find the value of n, we will use the concept that this is our last term, or you can say nth term of the GP. So GP, nth term of GP can be written as a r to the power n minus 1 is equal to the last term, which is 4374. Let us put the value of a as 2 here. We have 2 times r to the power n minus 1 as 4374. Divide by 2, we will get 2187. 2187 can be written as 81 into 27. And 81 is 3 to the power 4 and 27 is 3 to the power 3. So it is 3 to the power 7. So comparing the powers, we have n minus 1 as 7. So n is equal to 8. So sum S8 is equal to A, that is 2 r which is common ratio 3, r to the power n, which is 8, minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So we have 3 to the power 8 minus 1 as 6560. Next one is sum of 4 plus 44 plus 444 up to so on. So let us write Sn as 4 plus 44 plus 444 and so on. Let us take 4 common. So we have 1, 11, 1, 1, 1 and so on. Let us multiply and divide with the same number 9. Why we are multiplying and dividing with 9? Because we want to make this an geometric in geometric progression. So write 9 as 10 minus 1, 99 as 100 minus 1, 999 as 1000 minus 1. So we will get 10, 100, 1000 and so on. And 1, 1, 1 up to n term is minus n, that is adding 1 to n times. So we have first term as 10 and the common ratio is also 10. So it is A r, as common ratio is greater than 1, 10 is greater than 1. So it will be r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 minus n. So we have 4 into 10, 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 9. So we have 4 into 10 upon 9 into 9 is 81 into 10 to the power n minus 1, 4 into 9, 4 into 9 times n. Or you can take common as 4 upon 81. So it will be 10 to the power n into 10 is 10 to the power n plus 1 minus 10 minus 9, and n is the answer. Next question is add 7, 7.7, 7.77, 7.777. So let us write this as 7, take 7 common. We have 1, 1.1, 1.11, 1.111. So let us write 1.1 as 11 by 10, 1.11 as 111 upon 100, and we have 111 upon 1000. So let us now write this, multiply and divide with the same number, which is n. So it is 9, 99 by 10, 999 by 10, 100, and 9999 upon 1000. We want to make this as a geometric progression. So let us multiply and divide with 10 to make it a geometric progression. So multiply and divide with 10. So it is 10 here, 10 upon 10 will become 100, 100 will become 1000, and 1000 will become 10,000. So we have 9 upon 10 can be written as 1 minus 1 upon 10, 99 by 100 can be written as 1 minus 1 upon 100, and 999 can be written as 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 1000, and so on. Now separate the terms 1 plus 1 plus 1. We are adding 1 to n times. So we have n here. Again we have 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10 square, 1 upon 10 cube. So this is now a geometric progression with common ratio as 1 by 10, which is less than 1. So the sum of the series is a, which is 1 by 10, 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. So we have with us n minus 1 upon 10, 9 by 10. So 10 cancels with 10. We have here 1 upon 9. And here we have 1 minus 1 upon 10 to the power n. So let us multiply this as 1 upon, take 9 as common. So we have 70 upon 81. 1 upon 10 to the power n minus 1 and plus 9n when we take 9 as the LCM. Next question is the ratio of sum of first 3 terms of a GP to the sum of first 6 terms of GP is 125 ratio 152. Find the common ratio of the GP. So we have the given condition, the ratio of sum of 3 terms S3 to the ratio of sum of 6 terms S6 is 125 upon 53. So apply the formula. What is sum of first 3 terms? A 1 minus r cube upon 1 minus r, and S6 as a 1 minus r6 upon 1 minus r is equal to 125 upon 152. Here we assume that common ratio is less than 1. So we have applied this formula. Next we have this, cancel with this, a cancel with this. So we have 1 minus r cube upon 1 minus r6, 1 upon 25, 125 upon 152. 1 minus r6 can be written as r cube to the power square. So it is a square 1 to the power 2 minus b ka square. So it can be written as a minus b, a plus b. Clear? So 1 minus r to the power 6 can be written as 1 minus r cube, 1 plus r cube. So 1 minus r cube cancel with 1 minus r cube. So we have 1 upon 1 plus r cube is equal to 125 upon 152. So cross multiply this and find the value of r. So we have 27 upon 125, which can be written as 3 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3 is 125. So comparing, we get r as 3 by 5. Sum of 3 numbers in GP is 13 by 12 and their product is minus 1. Again we have given 3 numbers in GP whose product is minus 1. So it is preferable to take GP as A upon R, A and AR. So use the condition that sum of the 3 numbers is AR, A upon R plus AR is equal to 13 by 12. Take a common, so we have 1 upon r plus 1 plus r is equal to 13 by 12. Also the product is given to us as -1. So product, taking product a upon r into a, r cancel with r. So we have a cube as -1. So a as -1. Substituting value of a here. So we have -1 into 1 by r plus r minus r as 13 by 12. So -1 here dividing with -1. So we have -13 upon 12. So take here 1 here. So we have -25 by 12 and we will get the equation as this. After solving the equation, we will get the values of r as -3 by 4 and -4 by 3. So when a is -1 and r is -3 by 4, the numbers are 4 by 3, -1 and 3 by 4. And when r is -4 by 3 and a is -1, the number are 3 by 4, -1 and 4 by 3. The product of three numbers in GP is 216, but the sum of their product in pairs is 156. Find the number. We have three numbers in GP whose product is 216. So we will prefer to take the numbers as 1 upon R, A and AR, because the product is given to us. So take their product, which is equal to 216. So we have a cube as 216. 216 can be written as cube of 6. So a is 6. Now find the value of r to find the numbers. The product, sum of their product in pairs. In pair mean product of AR into A into AR and AR into A upon R. The sum is 156 in pairs. So A upon R into A into AR and AR into 1 upon R, A upon R is equal to 156. Put the value of A here. We will get an equation in R which is equal to 36 upon R plus 36R plus 36 is equal to 156. So take 36 here, it is 120. 6 common, so we have 6 upon R plus 6R is equal to 20. Take again 2 common, so we have 3 upon R plus 3R is equal to 10. So we have 3r square minus 3r plus 3 is equal to 0 as the equation. So we will get value of r as 3 and 1 by 3. So when a is 6 and r is 3, we will get the number as 2, 6 and 18. When r is 1 by 3 and a is 6, the number are 18, 6 and 2. So that is all about the questions based on sum of geometric progressions. So thank you for watching the video.